Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best massage cushions for back that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the 6-program customizable Shiatsu massaging cushion with heat, rolling and vibrating. This massage cushion provides the convenience of customizable programs. Your back gets the soothing effect of 4 Shiatsu massage nodes. There's a setting for full back massage, upper back massage or lower back massage. Apart from the 4 massage rollers, there's a vibrating massage set to 3 different levels. The cushion provides an optional heat massage that lets you unwind from a long day's work. Massage speed can be set to either high or low speed. This cushion gives you the feel of real therapist hands, thanks to the 3D balls that provide a more deeper massage. Moving on at number 4, we have the Shiatsu neck and back massager cushion with soothing heat. This cushion can be customized to focus on your specified target area. Alternatively, you can choose to settle for the up and down massage nodes travel for total relaxation. In short, there are 3 massage styles to choose from: rolling, spot, and kneading. There's an extra set of massage nodes to target the neck area. The seat provides a vibration massage adjustable to 3 levels. An optional heating function comes in handy to provide a soothing effect. The massage session lasts a maximum of 20 minutes. At number 3, we have the cooling and heating ventilated seat cushion for car and home. This cushion is designed for both home and car use. It has a cooling feature to let you enjoy summertime driving. The cooling effect is achieved via 3D ventilated mesh holes and ventilating fans adjustable up to 5 different speeds. This massage cushion comes to your rescue during winter by providing a heating function to get you warm in just 30 seconds. There's a 6-point vibrating massage that can be used alone or in combination with the heating or cooling function. At number 2, we have the Homedics MCS750H Quad Shiatsu Massage Cushion. For the untrained eyes, this massage cushion looks quite simple. However, looks can be quite deceiving. This cushion provides an ultimate massage experience that will leave you feeling cool and refreshed. It has 3 massage styles ranging from percussion, kneading to rolling. This lets you select either a fast, deep or gentle massage. You can choose a spot massage or a zone massage that includes full back, lower back or upper back. There's an optional heat feature to take care of your tight muscles. And finally at number 1, we have the powerful vibrating massager seat cushion with heat therapy. This is an excellent option for those in need of a vibrating massage and nothing more. This cushion has 8 massage patterns targeting the thigh, lower back, middle back and upper back areas. The vibrating motion is generated by 8 powerful motors concealed in a thick foam padding to lessen the impact. Apart from the vibration mode, you get an optional heat function. The massage shuts down automatically after 30 minutes. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.